Hi everyone, I'm Aryana. I have combo skin that can feel dry, especially in the winter, which means it can be really challenging for me to achieve that dewy, glowing skin look I love. But now I can get glowing skin in a snap with the new product from Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Serum. This formula helps my skin glow, both instantly and over time, without any mica, glitter, or pearls. The two hero ingredients in this serum are watermelon extract and niacinamide. Watermelon is rich in amino acids and super hydrating. And niacinamide is a form of vitamin B that's so good for your skin, it basically does everything. When used as a part of your daily routine, it helps to brighten dull skin, minimize the appearance of pores, improve uneven skin tone, and strengthen your skin barrier for skin that's strong and healthy. And when skin is healthy, it goes from the inside out. It can be used a few different ways, so I'm going to be showing you what each of those look like over the next week. Today, I'm going to be using the Dew Drops Serum as the serum step in my morning skincare routine. I just applied vitamin C serum, so I'm going to use this next. For this, I need 1 to 2 pumps of product for my face and neck. Then I'll follow with a moisturizer. My skin feels really good and has this instant healthy glow. Today, I'm going to use Dew Drops Serum as a highlighting serum. I've already done my morning skincare routine, so the last step is to apply this on the high points of my face. I'm not wearing much makeup, but this gives my skin such a nice natural glow, like a natural highlighter. Today, I'm going to show you how I use the Dew Drops Serum all over as a glowy primer for my makeup. For this, I'm going to dispense just about 1 pump to cover my entire face. Then I apply my favorite foundation on top. If you're looking for glowing skin, then you have to try this new serum. Thanks for watching!